What's up everyone? Today we're going to draw miles. Grab your markers and let's begin. Let's start by drawing a downwards curve. Underneath the curve, we're going to draw the nose. We're going to make a light reflection. Let's make 2. Let's fill the nose in. Just below the nose, we're going to draw a smile. There we go. And then within that, I'll draw Niles's tongue. Now, to the sides of the nose, we're going to start drawing some whiskers. I'm going to bring a line up to this side and I'll do this on the other side as well. We're going to jump down. We're going to do the chin. And I'm going to bring it with a light curve down, and on this side I'll bring another curve down. So now we're going to start and we're going to connect these two sides with one another. I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw whiskers, big thick whiskers, connect them. On the other side we'll do the same. Going above the whiskers and the nose, we'll draw eyes and we can connect them. Let's try to copy this as best we can. And then within this, we'll draw eyes. Here's the pupil. And we're going to go to this side as well. Some light reflections again. And then we'll fill the pupils in. We're going to go to the sides of Niles's head. We're going to make 2 curves up. Now just above the eye, I'm going to make a downwards curve. I'm going to go here and I'm going to make an upwards curve. And again, I'm going to connect them with a line, a zigzag line. Now right here, downwards curve, and make it sort of that it curves to the side to this point. And now I'm going to draw an ear. I'm going to go up and go down. I'm going to do the inside lines, and now right here I'm going to draw some hair and I'm going to connect it to the side of the head. On the other side I'm going to draw the ear not upright but a bit to the side. I'm going to do the inside and then I'm connecting it, and I'll connect this line to that hair. Now below, we're going to draw Niles's chest. You're going to make an upwards curve, just like we did with the whiskers. Another upwards curve. Below, I'm just going to make a very small curve down. I'm going to connect the top and the bottom sides again by just drawing some zigzag lines. Underneath, we'll draw a belly. Now to the sides, we're going to draw arms. And I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw an arm down and another one there. And I'm just going to follow this line up to his face. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little line and then another line going up. Now we're going to start with these gloves. I'm going to go, and I'm going to draw a C. On the other side, I'm going to draw a C as well. We'll take the C and we'll do something similar. And we're going to do here a similar thing. We're going to connect the line with a curve, and then right here we'll connect another line with a curve. Drawing a thumb and the index finger. Some knuckles. I'll just draw 3 knuckles. Gonna go down and I'll draw 3 fingers. Off to the other side, the pinky, and then again 3 fingers. From here I'll draw the thumb. Stepping down, we're going to draw Niles' legs, and on this one there as well. Connect the 2 lines with the downwards curve. Now again, a C shape. We're going to draw a little C like this, and I'm going to connect them. Again, an upside down C, and then connect them. Next up, shoes. You can draw 2 light curves down, and then on the outside you're going to do a longer curve, and here as well a longer curve. I'm going to start just a bit up from this curve, and I'm going to connect a line. And I'm going to connect these 2 lines as well, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space below. I'm going to draw a little curve down again. We'll connect it right there and connect the other 2 lines as well. And 2 curves there. Now it's time for Niles' tail. Now I'm going to do the top part of the tail, a line, and then I'm going to jump here to the bottom and I'm going to draw another line, and I'm going to follow this line, and I think it's probably going to go up like this. Now I take this line and I curve it up and I stop right there. I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to curve a line to there. And then we're just going to put some texture here as well. The color differences in Niles' tail, and maybe some hair, and here as well, some hair. And there's Niles. Now you can check out my picture and try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.